Today I am with ABDUL AZEEM, who is also known as Sherlock Holmes of the city, which was named by Commissioner of Police in 2001. And he is also Super Cop of Bangalore, but he is also the chairman of Karnataka Minority Commission. So yesterday we saw a letter which was written by Shri ABDUL AZEEM ji to B.S. Yeddyurappa about the Loksabha seat that he is willing to have. So let's talk to him directly. So can you tell me about the letter that you have written it to B.S. Yeddyurappa, sir?
Sir, as you introduced and gave my brief background, that I was a former police officer, then I was member of Legislative Council, and now I am occupying a seat of the chairman Karnataka State Minorities Commission. So this is my second term. First term in the year 2019, Sanman is our former Chief Minister Yeddyurappa ji nominated me for this post. And after completion of 3 years term, once again BJP government headed by Mr. Bomai, who was the Chief Minister, and he re-nominated me as the chairman for another 3 years. So I am here. I think I am the longest serving chairman of Karnataka State Minorities Commission. This is a constitutional post, and I am hearing the grievances of people, and I give patient hearing to them, and I have completed about 49 years of service in public life. It is very rarest of the rare case, I can say.
Yes.
And at the same time, I have concern for the people. I am maintaining my honesty. People will go with all satisfaction from my office. I never said no to anybody. I am the national awardee also. Moreover, I am the recipient of the Communal Harmony Award.
Yes.
You know about my investigations?
Yes.
So I have secured life imprisonment against 47 culprits.
Yes.
In one of the sensational case of Bangalore, I secured death sentence within a period of 15 months. It is a classical case of India, I can say.
True.
You see, I don't say more about me. It is all gift by Allah. Qualities will be hidden, and I have just exposed. Ultimately, Allah is the creator who runs the administration of the entire universe, and He selects people who are good at heart, who are honest, and who can deliver things.
True.
So like that, He has selected me, and I have done my job. And yesterday I thought, why should I not contest the election from Bangalore North or any one of the constituencies, Loksabha constituencies of Bangalore?
Very true.
Yesterday I met our Yeddyurappa ji, I met our Vijayendra ji, I met our Ashok ji, and all the senior, including our Bomai, former Chief Minister, requested them seats should be given to me from Bangalore North. So on what basis? 2014 I contested election,
Yes.
Lok Sabha from JDS ticket. I secured about 1 lakh votes. In 2013 I contested from Hebbal constituency. That is the segment, one of the segments of Bangalore North. I am residing there for the last 35 years.
And also you won with 1 lakh votes.
Yes.
Yes.
So all these things are there. So I asked Yeddyurappa ji, can you always say Muslims, if Muslims are given ticket, they may not win in BJP. Number 2, no one will come forward. That is number 2. Number 3, who is the candidate who has so much caliber and capacity to contest MP election? That is the reason we are not giving tickets. I said yesterday, these are the qualities. I am highly qualified. I did my MA in economics from Central College, Bangalore University. and I'm law graduate, practicing advocate. What more quality you need? In a Muslim candidate, what more qualities you need? What more qualification you need? At the same time, 200% honest. Show me anybody who is honest like me.
True.
Dedicated servant.
True.
So you must consider and give me the ticket. And I also told yesterday, I am well versed in 3 languages. I can speak fluent English. I can speak fluent Kannada. I can speak fluent Hindi. I told Mr. Yeddyurappa and all the members yesterday, please give me the ticket. I am going to win this seat and I will go to the parliament. When I go to the parliament, I told them, I will carry all the problems of Karnataka. All the problems of Karnataka. And I will place before the parliament. They need not search for any solution. I will carry along with me the solutions also. And a day will come, the people of Karnataka feel proud of me. He is the candidate. He is our MP. With all constructive mind, experienced, dedicated. That day will be there, sir. Please give me the ticket. Finally asked, I am not asking ticket on the basis of religion, on the basis of caste. I am asking on the basis of my achievements. And I told one thing in Kannada language. Nanu Vabba ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಮಾನವ, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ನಿಷ್ಠವಂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ, ಈ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್. ಎ ವೈಸ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ from a emotional politician. Always is an emotional politician. Mm-hmm. If I go there, I will act as a wise politician. Mm-hmm. Wise politician. One must have diplomacy. And we cannot go by emotion. You see, I am there in BJP for the last 11 years. Yes. Not even a word was uttered in my presence by anybody. Everybody likes me. The moment I enter into the BJP party, everybody, Namaskara sir, Namaskara sir, Namaskara sir. You see, we are all human beings. Sometimes we differ about some issues. There is a solution. We have to sit together. If I behave in an aggressive manner, do you think that we can solve the problem? Can we solve the problem? No.
No, we can't.
There is a way. And people, when go emotionally, it generates heat rather than light. I am the one, I am so confident. Wherever you send me, no aggression, no galata, nothing. We work for the peace.
But how do you plan to bring in all the minorities towards BJP? Because अभी since ऐसा बन गया है कि BJP के regime में a lot of lynching has been happening, a lot of love jihad के नाम से ये हुआ है, राम मंदिर के नाम से politicize किया जा रहा है. So how is your plan to bring all this into forefront and bring in Muslims?
You see, one thing I would like to tell you. I will admit your suggestion that there is a lot of misunderstanding between BJP and Muslim community, especially.
Yes.
And day after day, a kind of hatredness is growing.
Yes.
Hatred is growing. And both you have to understand, sit together. One thing we have to understand, not only Muslims, but also the Hindus, that we are all human beings, number one. There cannot be two gods. There is one God for the entire universe. But people worship in different names. Even Quran says You have to respect all other religions. He is Rabbul Alameen. Our Prophet is Rahmatul Alameen. We have to do worship. The religion in which we have born. At the same time, we have to respect the other religion also. There we can bring peace. We can establish brotherhood. These are the things we have to do it. And we have to think not only about ourselves, we have to think about our children, the coming generation. I have committed to this ideology. So if I go there, I cannot tell you I can bring a sea change overnight. No. I cannot say that I can bring 100% Muslims into BJP. At least 10% of people, if they are in BJP, they can be as a bridge between Hindus, Muslims and BJP. And there we can establish peace and tranquility.
Do you think, sir, Yeddyurappa sir's mindset coming towards like why Muslims would not support BJP is because JDS, when they allied with JDS, a lot of members of JDS party, they gave resignation, right? And did like CM Ibrahim, he called himself the president of JDS at present, which Devegowda and HD Kumaraswamy don't accept it. Do you think Yeddyurappa felt that JDS में जितने भी minorities थे, members थे या maximum amount of minority members, they quit because they allied with BJP, and that mindset came into, that kind of a thing came into Yeddyurappa's mind that कि नहीं Muslims कभी BJP को support नहीं करेंगे. They might have thought that JDS के साथ allied करेंगे तो minorities को इस तरफ
See, there is no point in discussing about the BJP and JDS alliance. I was also in JDS. Now we have to see how can we live peacefully? How can we claim our constitutional rights? This is the subject before us now. Forget about JDS and all.
ठीक है. Sir, as our Chief Minister CM Siddaramaiah ji, and he's been talking a lot about secularism. As you saw, like in all his speeches, he's been talking about कि all religions are one. We are spending so and so much money for so and so many minorities हो या Dalits हो या इनको इतना सब पैसा हम देने वाले हैं and all that. So, do you think that कि Siddaramaiah has been going forefront in talking about the secularism, or is just a political political gain के लिए?
You see, I don't like to comment much about this. No doubt, Siddaramaiah is a good leader and very simple leader. But just 1 month is left over.
Yes.
In the month of February, they are going to give the budget. So we will come to know how far he is going to keep up his promise.
Okay.
How far he is going to keep up his promise, we have to wait and see.
Today,
you see, there is a saying in English, if anybody says, I am sincere, I am honest, you see, he has to prove his sincerity, honesty through his action. Now he has to prove in his budget how much he is going to give us. I don't like to give the but conduct postmortem. What was the budget this year and how much money is released? You know very well. Simply announcing is a different thing. We want protection. We want, our rights, and still we are below poverty line. And I have written to the government about the Salar Commission report. And so many things I have recommended to the government. Just yesterday, I wrote a letter. Today I am releasing to the press. For other communities, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, government, Karnataka State Finance Corporation is giving loan at interest rate of 4%. For our community, 6.5%. In business, our community's participation is very, very low. We have written that Salar Commission has recommended The Muslims, so far socially, economically, educationally, below than scheduled caste.
Yes.
If this is the case, why don't you give us loan at a rate of 4%? This is my thinking. Hundreds of letters I have recommended to the government. So, you see, we should remain honest. I advise my community not to go by emotion, not to agitate for small things, and live diplomatically, by which you can achieve a lot, you can prosper, and the progress will come to your feet.
So you mean to say that today they have launched the 5th scheme, the government scheme they had promised. Now that was the 5 schemes that they had promised, and today they have launched it. And also they have been doing this Mane Bagilu program also. So do you think that you are saying that by February we'll really get to know how much the government has succeeded in providing the promises, not by these schemes?
No. This is whatever they promised, and the part of the schemes they have implemented. We have to see only during budget. Many schemes we have recommended. The sincerity, honesty of the government will be judged only, number 1, in the budget. Number 2, its implementation. Okay. Not blindly accepting, yes, he has given so many thousands of crores. No.
So, next thing is, you approached Yeddyurappa sir for the seat, Loksabha seat. Don't mind my question. In case if it doesn't happen, it should not have, it should happen, but in case it doesn't happen, do you think you could have approached CM as well for this?
No.
Though you have been in BJP for past a decade.
No, you see, I am hopeful. Definitely they are going to give ticket to me. I am 100% hopeful.
Definitely.
I am optimistic. I don't lose confidence. And today, as I told you, I am in public life for the last 49 years. I am occupying one or the other position. I told some of my friends, if anybody takes away my position, God will give me position tomorrow. So like that, I am very happy. My advice, you please tell the people, we all live together, we'll build this country, it is our home, and we live together like brothers, and always think for prosperity. Diplomacy is in need of the hour.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for talking to us.